Yo, what's going on YouTube? It is your boy Rontrades, and we are back with another weekly trade breakdown video. This is my second video of today, guys. I did just post a live Nas100 live execution trade video before I posted this one. So like I say, guys, this is a weekly trade breakdown video, so I'm going to get right into it. GJ and Nas100 is what I was trading this week. I went 1 for 1 this week. It was not a break-even week because that Nas100 trade put me in profit, which I'm going to show you guys after this one. So first, let's go over this loss here on GJ. On this day here, guys, on May 18th, we had 2 a.m. news for GBP. And if you guys know me, I love trading the news. I'm a big fan of trading high impact news because usually I won't say I guess the right bias, but usually it works out in my favor. But you guys can see here in this instance, it did not work. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys what I was looking for. So right here, guys, we had price show displacement here, going up here, breaking these highs here. So right here at 2 a.m., remember, we got news at 2 a.m. So right at the beginning of London, we have high impact news. So I was looking for a push down, which is exactly what we did, but I was looking to react where? Obviously, you guys may already know. I was looking to react right here off this order block. Right here, this bullish order block. Now, why is this a bullish order block in my opinion? Remember, this is my opinion. In my opinion, this is a bullish order block. Why? Because we have displacement. We have price breaking structure. We have price making displacement. We have an imbalance here. Price ran back inside of the order block. And I was looking for price to reverse up and see the GBP news be positive. But in this instance here, we didn't get that. Price literally opened up and it crashed right down. I had a limit here. Usually I don't do limit, guys, but with the news, I was looking for a wick in and then price taking off to head up to target these equal highs here that we have here. Kind of slightly equal highs here. And we also got buy side liquidity resting up here. So that's what I was looking for here on GJ. It didn't work out. I'm fine with that. I'm cool with that. I took that L and I ate it like a man. So let's go ahead and go to the next setup, which is going to be probably the best setup I've ever took on this channel, guys. I'm going to show you guys here. I'm very proud of myself on this setup. I was very patient. My read price correctly. So let's go here to the 2-minute time frame. This trade was taken from the 2-minute time frame. This trade was not taken from any other time frame, only the 2-minute. So I'm only going to stay on the 2-minute because this trade was only taken on the 2-minute. And my MacBook is kind of being slow right now, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is the framework here. If you guys have already watched my live execution, you guys can see this is the same framework. No cherry pick, no none of that. This is literally the same framework from that video. You can go back and look at it if you don't believe me. So I'm going to go ahead and delete some of this so I can make sure my charts are clean and clear for you guys. All right. I'm going to put this in full screen mode. Right here, Nas100, May 20th. This was 6 a.m. Eastern time. I'm going to say it again. May 20th, 6 a.m. Eastern time is where this trade was taken. Well, the vicinity of time where this trade was taken at. So let's do it right. Let's delete that. So right here, guys, you can see the price created what? Displacement. I came to my charts and I was like, hey, yeah, look at this. London has been buying up. So look at it like this, guys. Imagine how many buyers we have in the market. This is all from London. This move here is all from London. So London is obviously bullish, right? So if you come to the market, you're going to be like, hey, yeah, people are saying, okay, yeah, I want to buy this again. We're already bullish. London's been going up. I want to get in for a buy to continue the bullish momentum. And there's nothing wrong with that. You're trading with the trend, but that's why I don't. Most of the time, I don't trade with the trend. It only depends on the time of the day if I'm going to continue to trade with the trend. In this instance here, this was not a good time to trade with the trend because prices already been buying up. And now people are going to start doing what? Chasing it. People are going to start saying, hey, this is an order block here. Yes, it's an order block, but look how price crashes right back down inside of it. Keep in mind, this is a 2-minute time frame. Also, 2-minute time frame. So right here, what I was seeing, guys, we had a bearish order block. We had displacement here. So this move here was my signal right here. I wasn't in the market when this happened here, guys. I came to the market literally at 6 o'clock. So right here, this was displacement for me. Price came down, crashed down, breaking these lows here, showing displacement here. And look here, price crashed right down with an energetic displacement, which is this candle here. Let me delete this here so I don't have too much on my screen to confuse you guys. So right here, this candle, look at this candle here. Look how energetic this candle is right here. Energetic candle breaking this low, displacement. So what? So what should we be looking for next? Well, what I was looking for is price to rebalance itself back up inside of a bearish order block or imbalance or something like that. Price came up to this order block, I entered, and you guys can see on my live execution. Why did I enter here? Like, why was this order block significant to me? The reason I entered here, guys, is because we had this last up close candle before consistently down close candles. We had an imbalance here, so I literally entered as soon as price touched this up close candle. Yes, I went in drawdown. This was not a perfect entry. This wasn't a sniper entry, as the gurus say. I went in drawdown. My screen was red for about 2 to 3 minutes. My screen was red. Now, if you guys can see in the video, I literally called it out. Like I say, don't believe me, just go watch the video. I literally said, hey, price can potentially come up here inside of this bearish order block. Now, why would it do that? Why would it not do that? Why would it not do that? Price, if everyone is entering here, which they're right, price is going to push up to scare people. I didn't get scared when this happened. The reason I didn't get scared, because we're bearish, right? I had displacement. My signal was already being called. So the only thing I got to do now is take the trade and see if we win or not. Now, if I would have lost this trade, I just would have lost. Price possibly would have just continued to keep going bullish. That's okay. But what's the likelihood of that happening after price is already showing you? It's already showing you displacement, rebalance, go back up to take out some of the weak sellers, and then it crashed down, right? And what did it crash down to? Sell stops. Sell stops here. And keep in mind, guys, let me delete this too much on my screen. If you was buying, right, let's say right quick, as ITC say, if you bought here, where's your stop loss? Let's be honest. If you bought here, let's say you just bought here off this order block, where's your stop loss? Right here. It's right there. So what's the likelihood of the market letting you eat all this move up and price just continue to keep going up to the 1300 or the 12150 price? What's the likelihood of that happening? It's very low. They're going to come get you. So by knowing, I'm like, yeah, we got buyers in the market. People are jamming their stop losses. People are going break even on their setups. Price literally comes down, shows displacement, run back up to the order block, makes another run up into the second order block, and it crashes down here, taking out this low here. And it came down here and it took out this low here. And that's exactly why I took my profits at. You guys can see on my live execution. So this was a nice setup here. Very clean setup. Yes, I went in drawdown. This is not a sniper entry. Nothing like that, guys. Very good setup here. So yeah, man, it's really going to be the end of the video. Quick summary. Like I say, I took an L on GJ this week. Trying to buy that news. Didn't work out. I learned from that. I write it down in my notes. Second trade we took this week, guys, was US100, Nas100 displacement. We got people chasing buys in London. Price came back up to an order block, ran another order block, entered again there, and then price crashed down into our targets, which is going to be sell stops, and we're going to have people jamming their stop loss right below this level. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you guys in the next video. Remember, guys, I will try to upload as much as I can. I do have a job right now that I'm currently trying to get out of. So I do work a lot. So if I don't upload every single day like I used to, I'm sorry, but I will definitely make my promise to you guys. I will upload every single week, either Friday or Saturday. You guys will see a video from me. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you guys next video, man, and I am out of here.